Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is chickpeas, and we'll be making chickpea roasted tomato puree with grilled flatbread and grilled shrimp with chickpea flat bread. Dr. Jennifer Janco of St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Patrick Feury will be joining us today. These recipes sound great. Let's get started.
So we're gonna make a puree. So we got our chickpeas, almonds, and then we got roasted tomatoes. The roasted tomatoes, I just take the tomatoes themselves and then cut them in half, put olive oil, garlic, thyme, salt and pepper on them, and then just throw them in the oven, 350 for about 10 minutes.
Do you need to let them cool before we start using them?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
That's right. You can do can or dry. As dry as possible. When you get the can, you want to have them and dry them with a towel.
Chickpeas are great for kids. You don't always think about them, but I think the way Chef's going to make them into a nice creamy texture is really nice for an infant and for adults. You get a lot of fiber out of chickpeas. One of the reasons it's really nice to start introducing this maybe around 8, 9, 10 months of age, babies are starting to eat lots of different foods. They may have some digestive difficulties, i.e. they maybe can't quite get everything out the way they used to, and there's a lot of nice soluble fiber in chickpeas, so that can really help if your baby's experiencing some constipation in a very healthy way. Chickpeas are also vegetarian, so if you're a vegan family, a vegetarian family, it's a great way to get iron in your diet without using meat-based things.
All the spices.
What did we
you put in
miss?
there?
What did you, what did you?
So we got smoked paprika, our tomatoes.
And you're just kind of just cutting those right in half.
Right,
And you threw some
exactly.
almonds in there too, correct?
Oh yeah, almonds,
okay.
yep. Over here, first thing, our lemon.
Roasting a lemon, okay.
The other thing is we're going to take shrimp. We're going to get those going.
Okay.
Okay.
A little bit of curry, a little bit of, again, smoked paprika.
Okay.
So using the same ingredients too, which
Right.
is nice.
And if you want to be serving your children shrimp, the adult meal, at what age can you start giving it to them?
You know, honestly, the rules of that have changed a little bit over the years, so we're kind of moving down. Yeah, we're kind of moving down a little bit younger. So I don't think I would serve it because of the texture until they're probably about a year of age, because you don't want them to choke on it. They'd have to be able to grind. But from an allergy perspective, I say by a year of age, they can and should be partaking of these different kinds of foods, developing their palate and having different kinds of sensory experiences. You know, and even for the parents that are eating chickpeas, you know, as parents for our kids, you want to role model healthy behaviors.
And chickpeas are great for prenatal patients too, right?
Sure, they have some folate in that, so mothers are always cautioned about making sure they have a diet rich in folic acid to help prevent some birth defects. So while that's included in prenatal vitamins, getting it through their natural source is always a great idea.
And so you're grilling the flatbread here in some olive oil, I see.
See, on the website I have a recipe for this particular flatbread.
Okay.
A couple other things you can do. You can go to the store and get like a pita or something like
Yeah,
that.
that's
also,
what I do.
Yep. And or also you can go to your local pizzeria or something and buy some
yeah.
dough from them.
Oh,
roll it
that's
out and use
smart.
it. Yep. So
That
with the
really
kids.
looks delicious. We want to be eating as healthy as possible to
You do.
have
It's
a
honest
healthy lifestyle.
goodness, the root of everything.
Yeah. So this bread, we're going to just spread
Smear some of the.
right across it.
And what's that?
Arugula, baby
I
arugula.
love arugula.
And then so we got these beautiful roasted, and that gives you a completely different flavor with this.
Yeah. Why don't we try this?
I can't wait.
So good here. So crunchy.
Really, really good.
Delicious. Why don't we try this dish? Oh, great.
So this is always my problem. I can't decide which I like better, the adult version or the child version.
Yep. And just, you know, just a little bit of seasoning on them shrimp themselves. Tiny bit of curry,
So
tiny
good.
bit of paprika.
Both delicious.
And
Thank
that
you
lemon.
so much.